If you've been on YouTube for quite a while, you already know the drill. You film, you edit, you post, and then you do it all over again. But here's the thing, if you are still doing everything by hand, the same way you were doing it 2 years ago, you're working harder than you need to. AI has made so many parts of this easier, and most creators still aren't using it properly. So, let me show you 5 places where you can just plug AI and actually get your time back in return. We have all been there. You sit down to write your script, you know what you want to say, but nothing comes out right. Here's what you want to do. You go to ChatGPT, tell it your topic, tell it who you are making the video for, and ask it to give you a rough outline, not the whole script, just the skeletal part of the script, the introduction, the main points, and how it ends. Then you can take it from there and write, in your own words. What used to take 3 hours now takes less than an hour. That's it. You are able to solve the blank page problem. That's it. Simple. All right, so just like I said, this is just an example. I wrote to ChatGPT, I said, I want you to make a video with the title Five Unknown Facts About the Lion. All right, I'm making it for a channel that is designed for animal lovers and those generally curious about the animal world. And then, of course, I told it to give me a rough outline on how the video should go, and then the hook, the conclusion. And I also told it something very important. It should give me every element that makes a video actually good. And just like that, you have your hook, you have your introduction, you have your conclusion, you have every element that makes a good video, all just by a single prompt. So this is just what I've explained. I just showed you the practical, so you can go online and do the same thing as well. You know that thing where you open like 10 different tabs, you start watching people's video, and then you realize an hour has just passed and you haven't even written anything yet. Yeah, instead of doing just that, you want to just ask AI, type in your topic, and ask it what angles people have already dealt with, all right, and what hasn't really been talked about yet. It's not always going to come out perfect, but it gets started. So you are not just starting from scratch every single time. It saves you a lot of time. All right, so just like I explained, this is just an example, a practical example. All right, I said I'm about to make a video on the most gruesome deaths in history. It's a popular topic, but I want you to suggest an angle of narration that has never been taught before. Then I told it to give me 5 angles and suggest the best for me. Now, this allows me not to actually do much of brainstorming. Just give it a prompt and then wait for the feedback. All right, so you can see that it has given us different angles. The number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and 5. It has given us 5 different angles. And guess what? It also gave us the best of the 5. This is exactly how you make use of AI. A lot of creators either spend way too long on this, or they just put something there in the last second of uploading their videos, but this will actually hurt your views. What you want to do instead is to paste your topic into AI and ask it for 10 different title options. Ask for a description that naturally includes keywords. Ask for tags. Then you can go through it and pick what sounds okay for you. You're not accepting everything that it gives to you. You are the one choosing from the list, instead of just staring at an empty box and thinking of what to put as your title, as your description. And this saves you quite a lot of time. All right, so for this example, I said, I want a better title for my YouTube topic. And the topic is 5 things that women do that men really find attractive. And then I told it to give me a description, give me the best titles, give me 10 titles, and give me the best of the 10, which it has now given to me. And there you go, you have your 10 upgraded titles. So this is how you don't just think about what titles you are going to make use of. Just put in the title in your mind and then let it help you to upgrade and then select the best for you. Just like I asked, we have our description and then we have our keywords as well. And then it also told us our top pick is 10. So we have to make use of 10. Now our title has changed from 5 things that women do that men find really attractive to she did nothing special, so why can't he stop thinking about her? So this is how you're able to change titles that actually get people to click on your video just by making use of AI. One of the things that slows creators down is not the filming or the editing, it's figuring out what video to even make next. You finish one video and then you are just sitting there wondering what would people actually want to see. Here's what you want to do. You go to AI and tell it your niche, tell it who your audience is, and then ask it for 10 video ideas based on what people in your space are searching for right now. Then go through the list and pick the ones that actually excite you. You will have your next month of content actually planned out in less than 30 minutes. So you are no more guessing, you are no more stalling. You just have a clear sense of direction every single time you sit down to create just by using AI. All right, so for this one, I said I have a YouTube channel, and under the relationship psychology niche, I'm brainstorming topic ideas. So I want you to help me do a research for 5 video ideas based on my niche. Don't forget to add what people are currently searching for. All right, so and there you go. You have all of your 5 different topic ideas that is going to be highly clickable and what people are, currently searching for in your niche. Remember, we said relationship psychology niche was what we wanted to get video ideas for, and now we have every one of them right here. So you can do it for whatever niche you are. Just put in your prompt and then tell it to give you something that people are currently searching for. So let's get to the next. All right, so this is one of the interesting parts of AI that I love. So you don't have to come up with a new thumbnail from scratch every time. You can find a thumbnail in your niche that is clearly getting clicks, screenshot it, upload it to AI, and ask it to break down exactly what is making that thumbnail work. The colors, the layouts, the text, the emotion. Then ask it to help you recreate that same structure for your own video. It does the heavy lifting literally for you and just swap in your details. There's no stress, no guessing, no spending an hour in Canva going through cycles. And if you want to see exactly how I actually do this step by step, I've actually created a full video on my channel walking you through the whole process. I'll leave it in the description below so you can go and check it out after this. So those are the 5 ways you can actually up your game in content creation using AI. Writing your script, doing your research, sorting your SEO, planning your content ahead of time, and creating thumbnails that already work. You don't have to change everything at once. Just pick the one that is costing you a lot of time right now and just, pick the best AI that you can use and just make it work for you. That little small shift can actually make a big difference in your content creation and, of course, save you a lot of time. If this video helped you in any way, do me a favor and hit the like button. It genuinely helps more creators to find content like this. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to do that because I post videos like this regularly. I will see you in the next video.